In this video, I'll show you how to fill the objects in 3ds Max using TyFlow. So I'll start by creating a torus, and then I will rotate it to set a nice orientation. Okay, that looks good. The next thing I want to do is to apply a couple of modifiers. The first one will be turbo smooth, and then I'll also apply shell modifier to give it some thickness. Then I'll go ahead and place TyFlow object into the scene, and in creation panel, if you go to helpers, you can choose TyFlow and you can find Ty icon. But before you place it, I'm gonna go to top view and place Ty icon so it kind of fits inside our shape. Go back to perspective, turn on the wireframe and move it up to the top because we want our particles to drop down from that spot. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm gonna turn off the wireframe and I want to set our object to X-ray mode. I'll select the object and you can press the shortcut Alt-X. So now we can see through. Gonna go to open editor and start by creating a burst operator to generate our particles. I'm just gonna increase our timeline and do it the same in time configuration. And then we wanna create position icon and select our icon to create particles where it's located. Next thing I'm gonna do is create shape, change it to 3D, and I'm gonna choose geosphere. Okay, don't forget to change display mode to geometry. So now we will be able to see our particles. It's a little bit small, so I will create scale and set it to maybe 800, maybe even 700. Also, you can change color to see it better. Okay. The next thing I will do is to create physics shape. Okay. So what it does is basically applies real world dynamics. So you can see how let me just move it up a little bit. So you can see how they collide with each other and the ground. But our focus is to make it collide with the shape itself, so we can create physics collision and pick our object. So as you can see right now, they're kind of going around the object instead of inside. So if you change it to mesh, they will now start colliding within our torus. So this is the result, and that's it.